As you can see, we have a TV. I'm not too sure how you... Oh, there's a control. Found the control. Alright. Let's see what we see, shall we? Why can't I see? It's all blurred. Oh, maybe I should put my glasses on. Okay. Why can't I get... First time wearing glasses. Did I do it? Okay. Alright, English. What happened? That's me! Welcome to Ocean View, Grand Princess. It's very cool. Please select profile above to begin your experience. That's me. Welcome aboard. Woohoo!
Welcome aboard. We've been expecting you. Our Princess team is here to help you maximize your cruise and ensure your vacation is nothing short of extraordinary. Your personalized Princess experience is powered by your Princess Medallion and the Princess app. Your Princess Medallion is a revolutionary, wearable device that enables an entirely new level of service and personalization. Your medallion senses your arrival and unlocks your stateroom door. Locate your loved ones. Enables food, drinks, and more to find you. Activates casino play. Facilitates cashless payment, both on board and ashore with participating merchants in select destinations. And so much more. The medallion is waterproof, heat, sand, and salt resistant, and requires no charging. And it's easy to wear. Just slip it into your complimentary lanyard and wear it throughout your voyage. Or select from an assortment of accessories that come in a wide range of styles and price points that are sure to accommodate everyone's preferences. If you haven't already, download the Princess Cruises app on your mobile device to plan your journey.
Did it?
Reserve dining.
Yep. Did that.
Order food, drinks, and more to be delivered to you anytime, anywhere.
Cost you money.
Connect with guest services anytime from anywhere with crew call chat.
That's cool.
Book short excursions. Find and chat with your shipmates.
Done that. That's cool.
Explore and navigate the ship with ease.
Done that. It's okay.
To get the most value from your Princess vacation, save on the things you're gonna do anyway by upgrading to the Princess Plus.
See more upgrades.
Which includes Wi-Fi, crew appreciation, drinks, and more. Upgrade now in the app or ask a crew member. If you have any questions,
Didn't do any of those upgrades. This is a basic trip.
We're glad you're sailing with us. Welcome aboard. You're gonna love this.
Very cool. Lots of upselling on the ship, but I understand that. But yeah, we're doing basic, no upsell. So everything you'll see is something that you get when you pay for it. What? I guess we're doing commercials now. Oh, here we go. More upselling. How do I get out of this? Alright, hit the back button. Alright. So this thing looks is safety, more upselling, book excursions, reserve dining, which is cool. That's good. The wake show, wonder what that is. Alright. We can go good to know stuff. Okay. Bridge cam, that's kind of cool. Disney print. That's not Disney. That's Prince prizes. Okay. And Adam Savage. Mythbuster? Interesting. And then over here, we got safety essentials, guest services, today's deals. Interesting. Stateroom directory. Okay, look at all this. Oh, you could be here for a lot. There's so much information. So if you have some downtime, you can just go through this if you want to do it, like cruise health. Good to know. Exciting and new. The different weather that's coming up. Interesting. Our location on the map. That could be fun. Let's see what disclaimer. Okay. So interesting. We're at sea. How do I change this stuff? Okay, there it is. We're just a dot in the ocean. Okay, there we go. Oh, we're just passing Tawasin. That's cool. That's very cool. So we still have not gotten out of Canada or British Columbia. That's very neat. So, yeah, we got lots to do. Gotta come down here, out, and then into international waters. This is America, but it looks like we're in America, but no. The truth is we're not. Because we haven't even, gotten out of Tawasin, which is Canada. That's British Columbia. We just left Vancouver. Alright. Short little cruise that we're on. So that'll be cool. That's good. That's a good little thing to have. And let's where was that? Where was let me see. Some good entertainment stuff. Explore. That's nice. Food, restaurant menus. Okay, lots of good things to do. Aha! If you get bored, you can watch some movies, some TV. Interesting. Listen to some books. Nice. Okay, cool. And then you can have, hey, let's get into another cruise. And, all right, service. Oh, some privacy. Oh, I get it. Cool. All good. All right. I want to see, where is the live? Oh yeah, here it is. Bridge cam. Let's take a look at what's bridge cam. There it is. That's what's happening outside right now. Is there another channel? Nope. Hey, we can see if there's anybody talking. Oh, you can just play this while you're sleeping, and then it'll turn off in 60 minutes. Neat. All right, that's cool. So there's a lot of good things on this. That's good. Oh, it's gonna upsell me again. I know it. Oh, all right. Well, that being said, I think we're off.